T-Scaler G here. I just wanted to show my Ford Bronco half cab. Didn't turn out too bad. I did have several issues though. I had issues with my paint. I had issues with some warpage. The hood, it was warped so bad I ended up gluing it down because I couldn't get it to straighten out at all no matter what I tried. Back here on the half cab, this was warped real bad, and you see I even cracked it whenever I was trying to straighten it. And for some reason I had trouble with glue wanting to stick to this kit. And I don't know, man, I had trouble with my red and my white paint, so I don't know what was going on there, unless it was just because the paint was old. The red still ain't 100% cured, and I even put it in a dehydrator. But you can see, all in all, I guess didn't turn out too bad. The decals and the light come from the MPC 1968 Coronet kit, and other than that, it's all stock except for the brush guard, and that come out of a Mobius kit. I cut it down and I fixed it to the bumper there. So yeah, that's the Bronco. You can say I'm missing a mirror already, and like I said, I just got it done, so there you go on that. But for the trailer that come out of the MPC kit, you can see here I customized it quite a bit. Yeah, I put rims from a different kit on there. The fuel tank was included with the trailer. I did add safety chains on the front. And the trailer hitch that come with this, I did attach to the Bronco. I modified it to make it work. You can see here I extended the back of the trailer with a platform. Added a custom hose reel with fire hose. I made the nozzle from a shock and a drive shaft. The toolbox come out of another kit, but there was also a toolbox included with this trailer kit. The motor, it's from a mini bike kit. The water pump that I fashioned up there, that's obviously, you can tell that's a piece of a transmission. And my valve shut off here, that's a piece of a steering linkage. The connector to the tank there, that's a piece of transmission. And obviously the tank here is from a semi kit. I also added these fender lights that were from another kit, and these yellow marker lights. So I actually, and the chain come from a Mobius kit. So, but I think the trailer turned out pretty good. A lot happier with it than what I am with the Bronco itself. But like I say, you know, some of that was my issues. But yeah, I mean, not too bad, I guess. So you can see here, here's the trailer hitch that was included with the trailer that I modified and added. Alright, this is T-Scaler G. Normally this type of video is not what I do because I'm on call 24/7 with my job, so that's why normally I just do short videos with no commentary or anything, because like I say, with my work, I never know when I'm getting a call out, so I have to build as quick as possible and make my videos as quick as possible. But I appreciate all my subscribers, and have a good day. Thanks.